guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I have something special for you. As always, car that's loved by so many people since 1950s. Now this is the latest version and the latest take on the Land Cruiser 300, but make it super extreme. First thing you can see at the front that's not so Land Cruiser-ish is this non-functional air scoop. It's simply there to give it a little more sportier look. What else is giving this sportier, more aggressive look is the lifted suspension. Now on the side here you can see the 17-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, and these are truly massive. And here we have extended fenders. Now come to the side, guys. See all these sporty extreme stickers? These are to make our Land Cruiser look super badass. Now come to the back, you can see all these blackout logos, the Land Cruiser and the Toyota. We have TBW Twin Turbo Xtreme badge and the GXR. Now the back of the car stays the same as the one that we already know, but come to see the black seats. Welcome to the back of your extreme Land Cruiser. I must say, recently we filmed a couple of Land Cruisers, and this one so far does feel the most luxurious, the most comfortable out of them all. Now interior wise, as we have this nice beige leather, we have this soft beige carpet, there's wood trim around the back over here. Here you can control your rear cooler, you have charging ports over there, but overall the entire feeling at the back is very royal, very luxurious. I'm actually, maybe you see it, but I'm quite surprised. We've got 13-inch screen on both seats over here. When it comes to the space, there is so much headroom and legroom. Your backseat passengers will definitely be comfortable and happy. Now, should we hop to the front? Let's go. Welcome to the front. Now, the first thing you notice is that the interior is exactly the same as the normal Land Cruiser 300 that we know. Let's see a few differences. Starting with your headrest over here, see the Extreme Limited Edition badge over here. We've got a wireless charging port, and if you come closer here, you see the Extreme badge on your wood trim that surrounds the cup holders. This stays the same, you can open it from both sides. We've got a 15-inch screen right here. We have a leather and wood multifunctional steering wheel with a little X over here, so you still remember that you're driving a Land Cruiser Xtreme. There's a button down here that's for your 360 cameras. Besides that, I think it's time for us to take it for a spin. Let's go. Here we go, off to the favorite part. Even the start and stop button has the Extreme signature. Let's start it up. Ready? As I told you, the interior stayed the same, and so did the engine. Ready for a big jump? Whoop, whoop. Piece of cake for the Land Cruiser Xtreme Edition. Ooh. You can definitely feel that 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel engine producing 304 horsepower with 700 Newton-meters of torque. So what do you guys think? Let me know in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye!